I am Eric with May West Manufacturing here, Sales Manager, Tide Solutions and May West. Going to give you a little introduction to our award-winning G4 Stalk Stompers, as well as show you what product it starts out with to what it turns into. So Mike right here, this is UHMW resin. You can see how fine that material is. So this is calculated, weighted to the very smallest ounce out of your normal teeth. It fills a cavity. The cavity in the press is heated up to a certain degree, and after a certain cycle time or run time, this G4 compression molded shoe comes out of that. Now what's crazy about this is, well, first of all, this is our G4 Stalk Stomper. It goes on behind a corn head, goes in front of a tractor, for a tractor stomper. We have them on corn planters, and you'll be surprised all the applications that people call us with, and they come up and they put them on their own equipment, whatever has tires, whether it's a certain type of spreader, whether it's waste hauling, whether it's fertilizer application. We've had them even on irrigation systems. We've had them on ATVs, UTVs. We have individuals putting them on semis. End users pulling into the field approach, making a circle in the cornfield. We have them on semis as well. The application is endless. We even had a gentleman install these on a front end loader to cover the tires, duals, on a plant tractor. And he uses front end loader to raise and lower these shoes as he came to the headland and turned that tractor and planted. Yeah. So the number of applications is endless, and it's a lot of fun listening to the stories of our growers and how we help them out. It makes us feel good and only makes us want to help them even more. So May West were the first ones to introduce Stalk Stompers to the market back in 1983. After that, a lot of the competition has come and gone and still coming after us, very strongly. We had original Stalk Stompers in '83. Then we came out with our quick disconnect. Then we came out with quick disconnect 2s. And now we're on the latest version, our G4 Stalk Stompers, the first iteration of Stalk Stompers. And the interest has continued to grow. Okay. Best stomper on the market. We're 30% lighter than what the competition is. What's great about ours that nobody else can say, because of the slickness of this UHMW, there's nothing going to stick to it. No material will stick to it, whether it's soil, whether it's residue. We have video out there combining in rain, and I know it's no, you can't combine rain, but we did it for our own testing purposes. We had water running out the shoes and we were combining. There was nothing sticking to it at all. You can find that video on our website at maywest.com. Another great feature about this, how we came up with this product is, since we make CNA snowmobile skis, we recognize how durable skis are in all the weather elements that those snowmobiles get themselves into. They don't break down, very seldom wear out. So we took that process and turned it into making our G4 Stalk Stompers. One issue we did make with these is we made them too thick. We had a lot of reports of over 15,000 acres on this shoe itself. And keep in mind, when you talk Stalk Stompers, our previous and what the competition out there is, there's a lot of moving parts. A lot of moving parts means there's a lot of replacement parts. Our new style G4 Stalk Stompers, this is the only replacement part you're going to have on that Stalk Stomper kit. The only replacement part. And we made it too good. Like I said, we've had reports of more than 15,000 acres. Typically, we tell people, depending on soil types, 8,000 acres. If you have good black soil, you're going to get 8,000 acres. Mm-hmm. You get in the sand with the pebbles in the sand, the abrasions. Yeah. That abrasion is going to wear that product down that much faster. Mm-hmm. But even 8,000 acres on a set of shoes is a lot of acres. And at $148 a shoe for replacement, yeah. That's very, low investment for repairs. You know, tires can exceed $2,000 and tracks can exceed $10,000. That's just rubber.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Just the rubber part on the track, $10,000. You know, so you look at the cost, you know, a replacement tire, replacement track versus an 8-row kit complete is $3,800.
Yeah.
That's pretty expensive.
Oh yeah.
You know, you look at your ROI on your investment. That's relatively small.
Right.
Relatively small. Everything, all our products, it's been a lot of fun, and we have a lot of new products on the table.
Mm-hmm.
Some are right around the corner. They're going to come to life, and we have a ton of products on the table that you know, every year we're coming out with more and more new products, product expansions. You know, as the equipment needs for people become more prominent, so do our needs
Yeah.
to provide the products for the customer.
Mm-hmm.